Mas. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduction, my name is Arif Ramono. Let me expand to my presentation introduction to basic electronics. Okay, this is introduction. What is electrical engineering? Electrical engineering is fundamentally concerned with various phenomena involving electrical charge and the exchange of energy between them. In some systems, electrical energy is the primary quantity utilized, such as in electrical power system. However, in other systems, such as a medium for processing and transmitting information, therefore, an electrical engineer is responsible for the optimal management, control, and utilization of energy and information. So the objective is basic electronic introduction aims to provide an initial understanding of the concept and working principles of electronic system. By studying this material, students are expected to understand the concept of electronics, and understand its development and role, and recognize the basic component used in electronic circuit. This understanding serves as an important foundation for studying electronic at a more advanced level. What is electro? Electronic is branch of electrical engineering that studies the behavior of electrical charge, particularly the movement of electronics within a conductor. These science play a crucial role in the development of modern technology. Additionally, all everyday electronic device operation and on electronic principles in practice electronic is not only concerned with the use electronic energy but also serves as means of protection and conveying information. History and development of electronics. The development of electronics is inseparable from the observation and research of science for more than 2 centuries. Various fundamental laws of physics derived through experiment became the primary foundation for the development of electronics. Initially, electronic systems use vacuum tubes, then evolved into transistor, and finally in target circuits. This development enabled electronic devices to become smaller, faster, and more efficient. Modern electronic is characterized by development of microprocessor and microcontroller. Microprocessor enable computer to perform million to billion of operations in a very short time. Meanwhile, microcontrollers are widely used in embedded systems found in various devices such as automatic washing machine, motor vehicle, security system, and medical equipment. Furthermore, the development of the Internet of Things allows electronic devices to connect to each other and exchange data automatically over the Internet. In electronic component. Electronic components are the basic component used to control electronic circuits. Each component has specific function and characteristics that play a role regulation. The flow of electric currents. With hot electric component, a circuit cannot function properly. Therefore, understanding the types, function, and characteristics of electronic component is crucial in learning the fundamentals of electronics. Types of electronic component. In general, electronic components are divided into two main types, passive component and active component. Passive components do not require additional power source and operate and function to inhibit, store, or regulate electrical energy. In contrast, active components require additional power source and have the ability to control and amplify electrical signal in a circuit. Passive component. Passive components are basic components widely used in electronic circuit. The component cannot amplify signal, but they play a crucial role in determining circuit characteristics. Example of commonly used passive components include resistor, capacitor, and inductors. Each of these components has a specific function, such as inhibiting electric current, storing electric charge, and storing energy in the form of magnetic field. Active component are electronic components that require additional power to function. These components have the ability to amplify, control, and process electrical signals. Examples of active components include diodes, transistor, and integrated circuits. Active components are the core of modern electrical systems as nearly all electronic devices utilize them as their primary component. So this is the example. One is resistor. Resistor is passive component the function to inhibit the flow of electric current and a current in a circuit. The resistance of resistor is expressed in ohms. Resistors are widely used to regulate current and voltage to suit the circuit's needs. Furthermore, resistors also function to protect other components from damage due to excess current. And two, this is a capacitor. A capacitor is passive component that temporarily stores an electric charge in a electric field. Capacitance is expressed in farads. And number three, inductor. Meanwhile, an inductor is a passive component that stores energy in the form of magnetic field and has units of henries. Both components are widely used in alternating current circuits, filter circuit, and signal control network. So thank you for my presentation.